Dividing decimals by whole numbers. When dividing a decimal by a whole number, place the decimal point in the answer directly above the decimal point in the problem. Example 1, 6.75 divided by 3. The first thing we need to do is place the decimal point in the answer exactly above the decimal point in the problem, like so. Now we divide. 3 will divide into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 will go into 7 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 from 7 is 1. That would make this a 15. 3 will go into 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Therefore, 6.75 divided by 3 equals 2.25. Example number 2. Again, we need to place the decimal point in the answer, exactly above the decimal point that is in the problem. 4 will not divide into 1. Therefore, we have to divide using 4. We go into 1 0 times. Now 4 will divide into 13 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 from 3 is 1. It's going to make this a 16. 4 will divide into 16 4 times. Therefore, 0.136 divided by 4 equals 0.034. Example number 3. Again, we must place the decimal point in the answer directly above the decimal point that is in the problem. 27 into 21. Divide. 27 will not go into 21. Therefore, we must place a 0 above the 1. 27 will divide into 210 7 times. 7 times 27 is 189. Subtract. 9 from 0. We cannot take 9 from 0. Borrow from this 1 will lead us to 0. 9 from 10 leaves 1. 8 from 0 we cannot take, so we have to borrow from the 2, leaving the 2 a 1, making the 0 a 10. 8 from 10 leaves 2. 1 from 1 leaves 0. Bring down to 6. Now we divide 27 into 216. This will go 8 times. 8 times 7 equals 56. Write the 6. Carry the 5. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5 is 21. Subtract, we get 0. Therefore, 2.106 divided by 27 equals 0.078. Money example. Divide $1.25 by 5. Think mentally, $1.25 is equivalent to 5 quarters. If you divide it by 5, it would equal to 25 cents. Now let's do it mathematically. $1.25 divided by 5. $1.25 is a decimal number. 5 is a whole number. So therefore, we're dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Step 1 is to make sure that we place the decimal point in the answer above the decimal point that is in the problem. Now we divide as a regular division problem. 5 will divide into 12 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract 2, bring down to 5. 5 will divide into 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Therefore, our answer is 25 cents. $1.25 divided by 5 equal to 25 cents.
If 3 persons went to this concert and paid $29.25 for the tickets, how much did one ticket cost? Let's do the math. The 3 persons paid $29.25 for the tickets to the concert. And the question is, what is the cost for one ticket? So we have to divide $29.25 by 3. Bring up the decimal point, remember, a straight line. 3 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 29. Goes 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27, and 2 left over. 3 goes into 22. 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21, and 1 left over. 3 goes into 15. 5 times. So 1 ticket to the concert cost $9.75.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.